Alfabeto in italiano. The Italian alphabet is a little different to the English. The most important thing to remember are the vowels. The vowels are always A, E, I, O, U. A, albero. B, barca. C, cina. Cane. D, daddo. E, elefante. F, farfalla. G, giraffa. H, hotel. I, inglese. L, limone. M, mamma. N, noce, Nutella. O, otto. P, penna. Q, questo. R, rosso. S, stella. T, treno. U, uova. V, vaso. Z, zebra. Alfabeto italiano. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. The letters that are missing from the Italian alphabet are kappa, ixis, y, I lunga, W. K is known as kappa, ixis, y for Y, I lunga, a long I, and W, double V. The Italians use these letters for foreign words, but they don't exist in the Italian alphabet. Finalmente è al completo tutto quanto l'alfabeto. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I lunga K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Un po' di pronuncia. A little on pronunciation. C followed by I or E makes a soft sound like in cheese. Cina, cena. So try to remember CI or CE, chi, che, makes the ch sound of English. G followed by I or E makes the soft j sound. Gelato, giro. So remembering J, G makes the j sound. C followed by A or U makes a hard sound like the English K, cake or coke. Kappa, cotto, cucina. Ka, ko, ku. Don't forget the CI makes the soft sound. G followed by A or U makes the hard G sound, as in gone or gate. Gatto, gomma, gusto. The R in Italian is rolled. R, rosso. Another tricky sound is the GLI. You can't hear the G, it's more like li in million. Familia. C or G followed by H gives a hard sound, as in keg or gear. Chiesa, ghiaccio. So CH in Italiano sounds like a K. It's a bit tricky, the opposite to English. H is often always silent in Italian. GN is pronounced like nai, gnocchi, bagno. QU is like Q, questo. A double consonant, you prolong the sound, so you lengthen the double consonant sound. Cappello. In Italian, to spell words, they use the alfabeto telefonico, where every letter is associated with the name of a town in Italy, a town or a city. So they say A, Ancona, B, Bologna, C, Como, D, Domodossola, E, Empoli, F, Firenze, G, Genoa, H, Hotel. Obviously, that's not a city. I, Empola, L, Livorno, M, Milano, N, Napoli, O, Otranto, P, Palermo, Q, Quarto, R, Roma, S, Salerno, T, Torino, U, Udine, V, Venezia, Z, Zara. So to spell apple in Italian, for example, the Italians would say M, Milano, Empoli, Livorno, Ancona. In English, we follow the International Aeronautical Alphabet. So this is just for your information. So for example, if you had to spell Smith, you would say Sierra, Mike, India, Tango, Hotel.